Hello and welcome to Draw My Science Project. This is where I take a life-changing issue going on in the world and rant about it using my epic drawing skills. So what's the topic, you ask? Well, today the biggest thing on the news is the bombing in Boston that occurred Monday, 15th April 2013. 3 people lost their lives and many others were injured. The world went absolutely crazy over that. And though it is a very unfortunate incident, did you know that at least 5,000 children die every day because they do not have the means to access clean water? Yes, that's right. 5,000 children every day. Think about it. Who's at fault? You. At present, 1.1 billion people lack access to clean water and 2.4 lack access to proper sanitation. A main part of this has to do with our vastly growing population. And because of this, water consumption has doubled in the past 50 years. But how does this affect our lives in developed countries? Oh, but it does. You're probably sitting at home minding your own business, eating that fresh piece of imported mangoes in mid-December. Ever wondered where that came from? A poor farmer in, let's say, Africa grew that very mango to support his family. But this poor man doesn't have the resources to access clean water. So what do you think he irrigated his crops with? Aha, that's right. Dirty, unclean water, and you just ate that exact fruit it grew out of. So all in all, that's how energy flows. Now, let's talk who. Who does this affect and who is the reason behind this? Everybody. But let's be serious here. I bet you've never even considered the moral implications of this, have you? Do you think it's ethical that the people of North America have access to clean fresh water while there are some people on this planet who don't even have enough clean water to brush their teeth? Wait. Wasn't that an Earth-given resource? Then why don't only the wealthy have the right to access it? Planet Earth has little drinkable water. Doesn't that worry you? What about all these companies like Evian? They take a natural resource that we have a right to have for free and put them in bottles and make money off of it. Let's put oxygen in a bottle and sell it off for $3 a liter. Sound okay to you? But wait, there's more. In sub-Saharan Africa alone, people lose 40 billion hours per year just collecting water. This time wasn't put into doing work like going to school, so people lack the knowledge and experience to overcome poverty. And this takes a toll on the economy. Did you know how many waterborne diseases are spread because people drink unhygienic water? For example, dracunculiasis. In other words, worms emerging from the skin. Horrific, right? Let's see the connections. So basically, no water leads to no health, which leads to no education. So basically, economy headed for a disaster. And guess who's to blame? Okay, enough of the negatives. Let's take a look at how science can fix this. Well, first of all, there's the biosand filter. This device is basically rectangular shaped, and so that's where you put the dirty water in, and that's the lid. And so it goes through the diffuser plate, and then it goes through the nicely drawn sand, then it goes through the nicely drawn gravel, up the tube, and out the water outlet. But there's not enough pathogen removal in this, so you can also add chlorine in the water, but hey, how great does chlorine smell, right? The best one is Procter & Gamble powder, which can cleanse 10 liters of water at a time and is quite affordable and is proven successful by so many countries such as Philippines, Kenya, and even Pakistan. Alright, we all know how pressing this issue is at this point, and media isn't doing a very good job at putting it out in the open. Let's all do something for the world, and let's bring about a change. Well, water and air, our two most essential elements on which all life depends, have become our global garbage can. Guys, protect Earth today for our children's tomorrow.